At Windy City Wire, we don't just make cable, we build connections right here in America. For over 30 years, Windy City Wire has been a leader in the low-voltage cable industry, dedicated to providing our customers with top-of-the-line products and services. Every RackPack we ship, every solution we create, it's the result of American innovation, American labor, and American grit. Our people, our team, are the heartbeat of this company. They're not just workers, they're leaders, providing our customers the very best solutions and services. And with nearly 1 billion feet of SmartWire produced each year, you can feel that commitment to excellence we pride ourselves on. And with 19 strategic locations, we provide nationwide delivery whenever and wherever you need it. When you choose Windy City Wire, you're not just buying low-voltage cable. You're investing in American jobs, American quality, and a future we can all be proud of. We're Windy City Wire, built in America, built to perform.